Hold onto your seats, tech lovers. A surprising rumor is shaking up the smartphone world. Big phone makers are switching things up, starting with Google, who just dropped a bombshell at their Made by Google event. They've renamed the Pixel Fold and made it a part of the main Pixel lineup as the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And now, Samsung might be following suit. According to the latest leak from Yogesh Brar on X, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be getting a surprising makeover, starting with the name. Remember the iconic Galaxy Note? Samsung hasn't released one since the Note 20 series. But guess what? The Note name might be making a comeback, replacing the Ultra tag on Samsung's top-tier models. With the S Pen now fully integrated into the Galaxy S series, the Ultra variants have essentially been Notes in disguise. Samsung might be ready to officially bring back the Note name, standing out from competitors like Xiaomi and Vivo, who also use the Ultra branding. But that's not all. There's talk that Samsung might replace the Plus variant with Pro, putting it in direct competition with the iPhone 15 Pro and Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL. Excited for the next Samsung release? Stay tuned, hit that bell icon, and make sure you don't miss out on the latest updates. You won't want to miss what's coming next.